The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement. In case of malfunction, use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Filter installation. There are 4 small sealing rubber rings on the connection pins. And when unscrewing the filter, you will find another 2 larger rubber rings on the bottleneck. You can replace any of these rings with the spare ones provided in the accessory bag in case of damage. Install the support rods. Install the base. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the base and proceed to install the grip. Install the laser pad holder. Install the Ms and DL handle. Install the face RF handle. Install the RF and suction handle. Install the RF and suction body handle. Install the laser pads. Put all the installed handles into the accessory holder. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Choose RF and ultrasound on the screen. Settings: time 15 minutes, ultrasound energy level 3. RF energy level 3. Ultrasound mode default, RF energy level norm. Press the start button to initiate the process. Choose RF and suction body on the screen. Settings: time 15 minutes. RF energy level 3. Suction duration 0.5, release duration 0.2. RF mode norm. The suction duration should exceed the release duration. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual tolerance levels. Press the start button to initiate the process. Choose RF end section on the screen. Settings: time 10 minutes. RF energy level 3. Suction duration 0.5, release duration 0.2. RF mode nor the suction duration should exceed the release duration. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual tolerance levels. Press the start button to initiate the process. Choose EMS and L on the screen. Settings: time 10 minutes. ENS energy level 3. L energy level 3. Press the start button to initiate the process.